What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what the Epson XP-2205 Wi-Fi lights flashing, their meaning, and how to fix any issues. So let's just get started guys. I'm going to just explain to you what to look out for when some of the Wi-Fi lights are flashing, because there can be lots of different things going on with your printer. So I'm going to be explaining every kind of thing that could be going on. And yeah. So guys, the first thing and the most common reason for the Wi-Fi lights flashing would be if they're flashing alternatively. So if they go 1, 1, 1, 1 when they're flashing, guys, that is very, very normal, okay? That is normally when your Wi-Fi is connecting to a router via WPS Wi-Fi, or when you're enabling Wi-Fi direct, or it happens immediately after turning your printer on. It's very normal. It just means that your printer is looking for the Wi-Fi connections that it has stored. So just like when you turn on like your computer, it takes like 1 or 2 seconds to find the Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, this thing is a little bit older, so it takes a little bit more time to find the Wi-Fi. So very, very normal if your Wi-Fi lights are flashing alternatively. It also happens after you reset the Wi-Fi network connection settings, but that is the most common and there's nothing to worry about. Now, if both Wi-Fi lights are flashing at the same time, it generally means that there is an error during a network connection setup. So for example, guys, if you're connecting to Wi-Fi direct and it just keeps flashing, or you're connecting via your phone and it keeps flashing, it generally just means that there is an error. Now, the only exception, guys, is that when you're connecting an Android phone through Wi-Fi direct, I know, very specific, they will start flashing in order to accept the connection. So basically, you just have to press the Wi-Fi button once and it will accept the connection. Now, if they're flashing for any other reason, the solution is exactly the same. You just press the Wi-Fi button once and the error will go away. So basically, guys, no matter what, if you see the two Wi-Fi lights flashing, then just press the Wi-Fi button. Now, those are basically the only reasons why the Wi-Fi lights should flash. As you can see, both Wi-Fi lights I have are solid. That means that I'm connected, the printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network, and I set that up using my phone via the Epson Smart app. And guys, if you do want to learn how to do that, or how to set up Wi-Fi direct, which I also did, check out the links in the description where I show you exactly how to do both of those processes. And the last thing, guys, is that if the lights are flashing and they won't connect, the main thing to check would be your Wi-Fi router frequency. So this printer supports a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only connection. However, your router can still be a dual band Wi-Fi connection, but its 2.4 gigahertz network needs to be available to the printer. So if that doesn't work, guys, then make sure just to press the Wi-Fi button, maybe turn your printer off and on again, and you can always print a network status report by holding this button for 5 seconds. Okay, and yeah, guys, that's basically it. If you're having a lot of issues, I would recommend resetting the Wi-Fi connection settings. I do have a guide as well in the description on how to do that. But that is it, guys, and I hope that this video helped explain some things that you might have been wondering. If this did help you guys, please help us out by liking and subscribing. That would really help us reach our goals. And yeah, if you're looking for any printer supplies, guys, check out the link in the description as well for our sponsor. They're a global online printer supply store. They do really good deals on everything. We buy everything from our videos from them. But that's all for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.